So here what I will do is add one more column, and I shall call this column type, like so. Type will be variable character. Let's put something like, I don't know, 20, and let's go. Okie dokie. And then if I come back to browse here, now I can add types here. So for example, this contact info, if I click edit, I can add a type and just say text area. This can be used to determine what type of input I can add on the other side. So I can have text area, I can have single line or just text, and then I can have something like image, etc., etc. You know, go. Okay, so let's come back here and utilize that. So what I will do is put an if statement here. Let me push this down, and let me push that down. Boom. Then I will duplicate this, and then I will put an if statement like so. PHP, I will say if. So now that we have a new column, if setting is equal to, if setting type be equal to empty string, or it is equal to text. So what do we do? Let me do that like so. Close that. Okay. Let's move down. Let's do else if. Yes. So I'm going to copy this, paste it here, push that in, move that down, and then let me put end if semicolon like so. But here I want to do else if else, or else if like so. Type is equal to text area like so. So let me remove this here. So if it's empty or it's equal to text, let's show this one. If it's text area, let's show this one. Then we're going to have one for image, etc., etc. And so here, all I need to do is change this input to text area. Yeah, and then the closing tag just pops up out of nowhere. So let me remove that and put it at the very end, like so. And then the important thing is the value should be removed and put in between here. Then remove the value and type attribute. The name shall remain as it is, but the closing bracket here should be here. Right, like so. I think that does it. Refresh. So now you see the idea behind this. You see these are different to this one. So all those that I want to be the same, I will put the same type, and so on. So contact info here, I can now copy from my man. Let me just go and copy right from here. Copy that and paste here. Boom. There we go. Okay. Now let me delete some of this hidden stuff here. Okay. Ugh. I don't know what's happening with this table, but let's save. Yeah. Okay. So we've saved all that information. Quite alright. Pretty good. Then now I can simply go to my contact.php, and then I will get exactly this right here. Copy that, come down here, and paste. Now the thing is, there's these p tags here. Come back here, let's see. Maybe we don't need them, so address, just paste there, and let's say contact _info. Let's see what we get. So if I refresh, there we go, this is what we get. But if you notice here, all the new lines are gone, because if I go to my to the text area here, you will notice that it shows that there's a new line here, new line. These are on separate lines. So why is this all on the same line? Well, there's a function we can use to make sure that we force it to recognize the new lines and convert them to break tags. So what I will do here is put that function, which is called what is it called? New line NL. It's called toBreak, like that. That's the function, NL toBR. Very weird. So refresh, and there we go. So it has shown us that we can do this. Very well. And if you want, you can tell the user of this that they can add some HTML. So for example, if I put B there and closing B tag, like so. Look at that, I'm trying to save by using Control S. Save settings, yes, let's come back, refresh. And as you can see, it's bold. So this is good. Somebody can use that to actually add stuff like that. But do not allow such things when you need users to be typing information that will show on your website. So if this is the admin, this is okay, because the admin cannot hack their own website. But if, for example, this information is from users, you must use HTML entities, otherwise you'll be in trouble, like so. The only problem with HTML entities is that all the bold break tags and all that will be converted, so it will no longer be bold here. If I refresh, instead you see all the break tags like so, which is horrible. So let me swap these functions here. Let me remove the toBR to the outside. Oops, I went too far. Yeah, there. So that they swap, I can add the new line after doing the HTML entities. Refresh. Okay, so I get that, which is much better. But still, you can see the break tags here. They're not being interpreted as HTML. So this is the choice that you have. If this is the admin that will be adding this information, you don't need HTML entities like so. And that way you can add some actual HTML. Okay, so pretty cool. And in the next video, we'll look at actually making this contact form work. I'll see you then.